Hi Wildcat families, this is your principal, Miss Arnold, and I have a couple of announcements for this week. It is week 5 of remote learning, which blows my mind because some days have taken so long and other days have gone by so quickly, but here we are, week 5. So I have 4 items that I need us to be aware of, and they're in the newsletter below. Number 1 is that we have a survey out for families to tell us what you have left in the building that you need to pick up, whether it's in a teacher's classroom or in your athletic locker, and then what you have to return to us. And so that information will help us to be able to determine the best way to safely get all of your things out of the building to you and all of our things back to us as we finish out the month of May. So we'll be planning for that the next couple of weeks. The second thing is a student survey. The Texas Education Agency requires us to send out a survey every year, and this is the time, so it will continue to be compliant with that, but it's asking about our school climate and culture. So it's a great thing. Students can fill it out independently and you'll all get the link, or parents, it's a great conversation starter because some of the questions will give you a sneak peek into how does your child feel about our campus and be able to provide feedback for us as well. So we'd appreciate that if students fill it out by themselves or with the parent if you're able. The third thing is that this week you're gonna start getting on Wednesday your course request confirmation. What that means is students, you picked out what classes you want for next year, and so that you'll receive an email on Wednesday from the district that says, hey, this is your tentative classes. It's not what order your classes will be in, but it's saying here's these 7 or 8 classes that you picked, and I need for you to look over those so that you can make sure, yes, that's what I want, or no, it's not. And so we need those back by May 15th. That lets me plan for which teachers to hire, class sizes, because I'll be able to know how many kids want in each elective. So families, give us your feedback there, confirm that those are the classes that you want between now and May 15th. And then the last thing is, starting next week is when we traditionally celebrate Teacher Appreciation Week. Everybody in our community has gone above and beyond to adapt to this new environment, and really our teachers and paraprofessionals are no exception to that. So we want to be able to celebrate them. So be thinking about appropriate ways for your family to send a note, an email, to be able to affirm the work that a teacher or paraprofessional has been doing with your student to support them during this building closure and remote learning. We are so lucky to be able to have the staff that we do and to be able to partner with family members and students like you. Remember, our attitude is what we make it. Our character is above reproach, and we put our best effort in everything we do. Have a great day living the Wildcat Way. We truly are better together.